Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this quick photo slide effect in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, you can see I have created a full HD resolution sequence. Firstly, we need some images to create the photo slide effect. I already have some images on my computer. The size of the images is 1920 by 1080p resolution. Next, we need to import the images into the project panel. Once we do that, here you can see all the images. Now we have to adjust the duration of the images. That's why let's right-click on the selected images. Next, we need to click on speed and duration. Here, I am going to make the duration of the images 8 frames for a quick slide effect. If you want to create a faster slide effect, you can choose a duration of fewer than 8 frames for a faster transition. In the next step, let's drag and drop all the images to the timeline in video layer 1. Now you can see the images go faster. And the next thing we need to do is just move the time indicator to the first image. After that, let's go to the effects panel to apply a transform effect. Let's drag and drop the transform effect onto the first image. Then we have to apply another effect. This is a brightness and contrast effect. Let's drag and drop the brightness and contrast effect onto the first image. After that, we have to move over to the effect controls panel to customize all the effects. Firstly, make sure the time indicator is at the beginning of the first image. After that, we need to create keyframes for the scale parameter by clicking on this stopwatch icon. Next, we have to make the scale parameter value around 150, and then move the time indicator 6 frames forward. Here, we have to make the scale parameter value 100. After that, we can improve the animation by right-clicking on the second keyframe, and then select Ease In. Lastly, we can add motion blur by increasing the shutter angle parameter value around 300. Alright, now we are done. You can see the animation with the motion blur effect. Something looks like this. In the next step, we need to customize the brightness and contrast effect. Firstly, we need to create keyframes for the brightness and contrast parameters by clicking this stopwatch icon, and then we have to make both brightness and contrast parameter values around 50. Next, move these 2 keyframes to the beginning of the first image. After that, move the time indicator to this 6 frame position, and then we have to make the brightness and contrast parameter value around 0 by clicking on these reset parameter icons. Alright, now you can see the animation with a nice flash effect. In the following step, let's copy these 2 effects. And then we need to select the remaining images in the timeline. Once they are selected, we have to paste the copied effect onto each of them. Alright, now we are done. With these couple of steps, we have created this simple, quick photo slide effect. And then let's create a new adjustment layer inside the project panel. Here, we have to accept the same settings as the sequence. Next, drag and drop the adjustment layer to the timeline in video layer 2. Now, let's move over to the effects panel to apply a lumetri color effect. Let's drag and drop the lumetri color effect onto the adjustment layer. After that, move over to the effect controls panel to customize the lumetri color effect. Firstly, let's click on the drop-down menu of the creative panel. Here, I am going to apply this built-in film profile preset provided by Adobe. Alright, now you can see the changes on the program monitor. In the following step, I am going to create a film frame overlay. That's why we have to create a new color matte inside the project panel. For this particular project, I will be selecting a deep black color, which will provide a striking contrast and help the images stand out. Next, drag and drop the color matte to the timeline in video layer 2. After that, let's select the color matte layer and move over to the effect controls panel. Next, navigate to the opacity panel and select the icon for creating a 4-point polygon mask. Once the mask is created, you will need to adjust its shape and position to suit your design. Customize the vertices of the mask to create a specific outline that fits your intended effect. And then, we have to enable the inverted property by clicking on this box. After that, we can add little curved edges by increasing the mask expansion property values. Now you can see the image has been revealed through the mask. Alright, with these simple steps, we have added the film frame overlay. In the last step, we need to incorporate the vintage camera shutter sound effect to enhance the visual transition. This audio element will help you to create a more dynamic and attention-grabbing experience for the audience. Alright, now we are done. In this way, you can create a quick photo slide effect in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.